If this is your first time flying a drone, this tip is for you, so you don't lose it. Have you ever wondered why some drones randomly fail to return? Why do they sometimes get lost and can't find their way home? I'll show you the most important setting, possibly the only setting, you need to know to prevent that from happening. This applies even when your drone is still within visual line of sight. I'll explain why shortly. And it becomes even more crucial when flying beyond the visual line of sight. There are several reasons why drones fly away. A common cause is when your drone loses communication with the remote controller, but it's often a combination of that and human error. But this can be totally avoided. How? By setting your drone to RTH, I probably don't need to explain what this setting does. The name says it all. Now, let me show you how to activate it. Go to the upper right corner of the screen and tap the three dots. Make sure you are on the Safety tab. Tap RTH Altitude. Set your preferred return-to-home altitude in meters based on your surroundings. This setting should be high enough to avoid obstacles like trees and buildings. Scroll down and tap Advanced Safety Settings. Under Signal Lost Behavior, or Signal Loss Settings, set it to Return to Home, RTH. Once done, go back to the main menu. Hover your drone around 10 to 15 meters on standby. Wait for the prompt on your monitor, as well as voice command, that says Home Point Updated. Now we are all set for RTH mode. Let's fly and enjoy the view.
Yeah.